Welcome to another video guys. I'm in a beautiful village called Auroville near to Pondicherry. This video is more of sharing my personal experience how I fell in love with this place than a visual journey like other videos. To start my journey, I rented my favorite motorcycle Aprilia 160 in Pondicherry for a very good deal. Being a solo traveler, I made a quick stop for lunch at a place called Madhurai Veedu. If you're a fan of biryani and non-veg dishes, this spot is a must try. After that, I continued my ride towards Auroville around 3 pm to check into the accommodation that I booked inside Auroville. It is a beautiful ride. I enjoyed the lush greenery, calm surroundings, and peaceful roads.
Slide left.
My accommodation is near to all main attractions in this village. After checking into my peaceful stay on the farm, the receptionist informed me that Swaram Musical Garden was nearby and would be opening soon. I left my luggage in the stay and immediately started riding towards Musical Garden.
In 300 meters, turn left. Head southwest, then turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Head southwest, then turn right. Turn right, then turn left. Turn right.
Swaram Musical Garden is a unique space in Auroville dedicated to sound exploration and musical experiences. It features a variety of handcrafted musical instruments, sound installations, and interactive exhibits designed to create a harmonious and meditative atmosphere. Visitors can engage with the instruments, enjoy the serene environment, and explore the connection between sound, nature, and well being.
So this is normal outdoor xylophone made out of aluminium, so please play in the center, not on the edges or any other corners, otherwise you'll make the damages. So you can use two melodies at the same time and you can play the rhythm whatever you wanted to play. Well, close your eyes and be relaxed. Well, those are tubular bells which have 8 different vibrations with 8 pipes, so let me play first. So the thing is, once you play all the pipes, and then make sure that you stand on the center so that you can travel with 8 different vibrations at the same time. So it doesn't bring sound, it brings more of the vibration to feel. So now we move for the next. So there are two ways to play. One, you can play one by one. So the other way where you can play the normal song. So try to contact with the rubber, not with the metal part, in case if you contact with metal and metal, it makes the back sound. At the same time, it makes the damages where you can see the black spot. So make sure that you people contact with the rubber, not with the metal. Drum which bring the ocean sounds. Inside there is a metallic box. The string instrument which we have to play it gently and slowly. So if you want to feel the sound from this instrument, you have to stay front of these 2 points. So some of you come closer please, stay near the point and look at the point. And some of you on this side, don't touch it, just be relaxed, stay calm, close your eyes. Yes. Well, this is spiral storm drum, which bring the lightning sound and also the storm sound. So without pulling this down, just hold it and then make twist to any side. So you can twist it in any direction. Once you feel the tight, and then you can take off your hand until you have to twist a bit. So this is the process to play this instrument. So please don't try to pull it down or don't try to shake it too hard. Otherwise, the people will make the damage on the top. So careful with it. Just hold it and then make some twist. So close your eyes and stay together. Well, this is bamboo groove where we can walk through inside. So first make sure that you people remove your glasses, otherwise the bamboo will get wet. It makes the damages. So please careful with your glasses. So the bamboo groove gives the bamboo sound. Now you can feel the bamboo sound. And also it gives the bamboo pattern that you feel while you're walking through inside. So let me show you the others. Kindly come on the other side. We go for another instrument. Later you can try your time. Okay, all of you come on the other side, please. Well, this is tap tongue, which we have to tap it. So this is made out of PVC plastic. So you can trade it maybe them. Look at the body, see? Look at the body, look at the body. Now on the side. Come on the side. Just stay there. Breathe slowly. Yeah. Well, those are aluminium bowls which bring the aluminium sounds and also the temple bell sound. So grab it and then swing it slowly. Well, we go for the next. Your ring or whatever the metal you wear, otherwise it makes scratches on the stone. So the second thing is you have to make your hand wet and then you have to rub it on the side. So what we are rubbing is to remove oily thing or whatever the moist or dirty, it have to be clean. So this is the process to make your hand oil free. So first you have to make your hand oil free. So make it wet again, put some water on the stone. So can you have some over here? So the thing is first you have to start with the fingertip and then slowly move to your finger area and then you finish your palm area. So just place your hand on the side and then slowly you have to rub one by one, you see?
Not every instrument is covered in this video, but the experience was truly enjoyable and worth it. After visiting Soundgarden, still I have some time left before sunset, so I decided to go to Arobeach, which is 8 kilometers from Musical Garden. I reached the beach, but it is just before closing time. The police were asking everyone to leave, so I decided to head back to my stay. But the beach is very calm, peaceful, and there are a lot of food stalls. I reached my stay, but I decided to spend some time in a beautiful cafe nearby. I ordered some food and sat calmly, enjoying my time, letting go of everything else. Next day started with lot of excitement. Early in the morning, I witnessed a heartwarming scene. A mother cow lovely licking her calf with such tenderness and care. It was a beautiful reminder that pure love and affection exist abundantly in nature, often surpassing what we experienced in the fast paced digital world. Moments like these, untouched by technology, truly highlight the deep instinctive bonds that nurture life. After spending time in nature, I naturally slipped into a meditative state and felt deeply calm and refreshed. I went on a solo bike ride through forest to reach the Serenity Beach. The air was fresh, the roads were peaceful, and the surroundings were covered in mist greenery. Riding through the quiet, untouched nature felt magical. Just me, the bike, and the beauty of the forest. It was an amazing and refreshing experience, setting the perfect tone for the day. Serenity Beach is 12 kilometers from my stay. To experience the sunrise, I started early. Solo traveling is important because it allows you to connect with yourself on a deeper level. It pushes you out of your comfort zone, helps you embrace solitude, and teaches you to rely on your instincts. Without the influence of others, you experience the places more authentically and appreciate the small, beautiful moments that might otherwise go unnoticed. It's in these moments when you are completely present and truly feel alive. Serenity Beach is more natural and less commercialized, giving it a raw, authentic charm. Most of the shore is covered with fishing boats, nets, and bustling fish market, reflecting the daily lives of the local fishermen. The blend of the calm sea with the lively fishing activities create a unique atmosphere, making it a place where nature and culture coexist beautifully. Earlier, I spoke about mother's love, but seeing a mother and child playing on the seashore was truly fascinating. Their laughter, the child's joy as the waves touched their feet, and the mother's gentle care emphasized the pure and unconditioned bond they share. It was a beautiful reminder that love in its simplest form is the most beautiful. Okay guys, I'm going to end this video here. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.